Good morning. How are you all? So again I am here for another English online class. So have you practiced all those exercises which I did in my last class? Yes, you have to practice all the exercises. Now today I am going to start 2 new letters. Now we have to learn only few letters and then we will write complete A to Z. So today I am going to teach you 2 new letters, S and R. S, S, R, R. So first of all we'll draw some pictures which is starting from S and R. So from S, the first picture we can draw is sun. S for sun. We can draw sun, which is very easy to draw, and I know all the students can draw sun. Then we can also draw spoon. S for spoon. See, we can also draw S for spoon. And we can also draw S for socks. You all wear socks now. When you wear the shoes, first you wear socks and then you wear shoes. So from S we can draw picture sun, we can draw spoon, we can draw socks. So these 3 pictures are there. You can practice and they are very easy to draw, and you can color it whatever color you like, only the sun should be yellow in color. Now from S, we have done S. Now from R. From R we can draw radish. Radish. Radish you all know? Yes, mooli. You can draw radish and you can draw rat also. See the simple way of drawing rat. Not the difficult one, a very simple one. जो आप सब आसानी से बना सकते हैं वो मैम ने ड्रॉ किया. So from R you can practice radish, you can practice rat. See how many pictures I have drawn. From S, sun, spoon, socks. From R, radish, rat. You can also draw rabbit or rose, but it will be very difficult for you to draw, so I have taken the simple pictures which you can practice to draw. Now after learning the pictures, we will do the writing practice. First we will write S and then we will write R. Now for S, see again we are going to start from the corner, and again the line will be slant, and write down in one stroke so that you get the correct pattern. Starting from the corner, see here, starting from the corner, slant till the blue line, turn. अब जैसे आपने print letters में S बनाया था ऐसे ही बनाइए. Touch this slant line. Now from this line come back and a small tick. This is S. Okay, again see, starting from the corner, slant up, turn, make S the same way I used to make in print letters. Touch the slant line, come back and make a small tick. This is S. Okay, again we will draw. Starting from the corner, slant up, turn, make the S formation as used to do in print. Touch the slant line, come back and make a small tick. This is S. This is the correct formation of S. Don't do like this. No, not like this. Okay? Or don't make like this. This and this. No double line. There should be no double line. जिस लाइन से आप पीछे गए हैं उसी लाइन से आगे आके आपको बाहर टिक करना है. This is the formation of S. Now the formation of R, same way, just start from the corner and the slant. You are going to start again from the third line. All the small letters cursive small letters, they mostly start from the third line only. Some of them go up till red line, some of them go down till red line, but they start from the third line only. So, put the pencil on the third line, starting from the corner, slant up. Now make a small turn, a circle, and a little bend, touch the blue line, slant down and a tick. This is the formation of R. Again see, starting from the corner, slant up, turn, little bend, again turn the blue line, slant down and tick. This is the formation of R. You have to practice these two letters because many of the students make mistake in writing these letters. You have to see how I am writing and you have to follow the same pattern. Don't make like this. This is not R. Okay? Just see how ma'am is writing and you have to write this way. Some of you, what you do? You bring this line so down like this. No. Some of you, what do? You remain here on the blue line. This is also wrong. Here you have to turn and a little bend to blue line and then slant again and turn. This is the correct formation of R. So you will be able to write when you will practice it very nicely. So today I told you how to write S and how to write R. Is it clear? You have to practice both the letters, S also and R also, and when you get time, you write down all the letters which I have taught you. जो भी मैं आपको लेटर्स सिखा चुकी हूँ उसकी प्रैक्टिस छोड़नी नहीं है, वो भी प्रैक्टिस आपको करना है, उसको भूलना थोड़ी ना है. तो न्यू लेटर्स के साथ पुराने लेटर्स भी आपको प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. After this, only 5 or 6 letters will be left. That we'll finish and then we will learn to write A to Z. So children, practice both the letters and also practice how to draw the figure of S and R. From S you can draw sun, spoon, socks. From R you can draw radish and rat. Okay? Now I'll start with the sound words.